The library at Mount Tabor is ran by students. Miss Simmons does a wonderful job of allowing students to kind of lead. She'll have a read aloud or provide a fun activity, but students get to find books in their category and interest level and all that kind of stuff. But when I come through here, students are leading the check-in, check-out process, and I think that formulates conversation. It leads to accountability and responsibility, and something else that kids look forward to.
In essence, I've given them the responsibility of running the library. I'm just here supervising. It also gives them independence. It gives them, makes them proud to be part of the library. I began teaching my oldest students, my fourth graders, how to use the computer. And it worked, and they could be behind the desk, and I could read to the students, and I could help students find books that would interest them. Students as young as kindergarten can check the books in themselves. And then first grade, starting in first grade, they do the check-in process, they do the check-out process. And then in third and fourth grade, I actually start teaching them to shelve the fiction books, the e-books with alphabetical order, and eventually up into my fourth graders do all the shelving, checking in and out. They actually help me with repairing some books. They water the plants.
At the end of the day, I fix up these chairs and put them on these dots, and I sign into that computer so people can check in the books, and I take a bucket up to a second grade class because it makes me feel responsible and I like to do it.
I scan the books in sometimes because other people do it too. Well, I actually started in kindergarten. Yeah, and I check the books in. I like helping out. Just feels good.
Oh, C, E.
For an elementary school, it's a pretty expansive library. There's a lot of books here, and so I think it just gives them the chance to explore, and developing that love for reading. It's missed sometimes, and so the chance to come to the library once a week to do that is pretty cool.
Every year we find new jobs for the students to do with the understanding that students can do anything we ask them to. It just takes a lot of training and encouraging and giving them the respect.